When you throw an event, do you like to go big? Or maybe you need a sturdy shelter for an extra car, truck, or boat? If either are true, then the Sunjoy 12 by 20 foot wood gazebo is the perfect addition for your home. The generous footprint means you have plenty of room for 2 sets of furniture, like a dining area with nearby lounge for drinks after the meal, perfect for larger events or get-togethers. It's strong and sturdy, with a snow load of 4,400 pounds and wind resistance of up to 50 miles per hour. The 2 included ceiling hooks are perfect for suspending lighting, so you can enjoy your gazebo even after dark, and it's easy to assemble. This attractive, oversized gazebo features a premium cedar wood frame with a powder-coated steel rooftop. The ample covered area means you can also use it as a carport for an extra vehicle, or even an outdoor workspace depending on your needs. Order your 12 foot by 20 foot wood gazebo today and start living large with Sunjoy.